Hey, it's Megan of Say Hello Mama, and I'm super pumped because I have an unboxing for you, a really big unboxing by 12Little. I have in here the new on-the-go backpack and the on-the-go mini. I'm super excited to be making a couple of videos all about them so that you can decide between the two and learn about all the great new features of the new on-the-go backpacks. So let's get right to it and open this up. I am so excited. I have in here the on-the-go in a stripe print and the on-the-go mini in the beautiful leaf print. This has gold hardware, this has silver. I wanted to be able to compare both bags, and I have to say right off the bat, this leaf print is so pretty. So let's get it out of the plastic. This is even prettier than I thought it would be. The fabric feels so nice and the pattern is just really pretty. And here is a first look inside the on-the-go mini. It has the adorable 12Little Zodiac print inside, which is my favorite lining for sure. And they are calling this backpack a mini, but it is in no way super small. I'm gonna have on the body shots in a later video. It has this great pocket here in the back, cushioned backpack straps, and tons of interior organization. There are two pockets here, one long one in the back, a zipper pocket, and then two side elastic pockets. Like, this bag has so much room and so much organization. And then of course on the front you also get a pocket here with a little key fob, key leash, and that brassy gold hardware is throughout the bag. It is definitely not a shiny in-your-face gold. It matches the embossing here. This is 12Little. It is so pretty. Okay, so that is the mini. Now let's take a look at the on-the-go 2.0. Get all this plastic off. And here is a first look at the on-the-go 2.0 in the stripe print. It is so beautiful. I love my original on-the-go. I thought the stripes were really great then, but I think they're even better now. They're a little bit thinner. It's so freaking cute. It's unreal. Okay, I have heard that this opening is new and improved, and it is so wide open. I'm gonna get this all out of the way. Whoa, I feel like I have owned a lot of diaper bags in my day, and this one opens so wide, and I'm just shocked at how much space I feel like there is. This is gonna hold a ton. It's gonna be perfect for travel and long trips out. There's a zip pocket here in the back, a mesh pocket, two smaller elasticized pockets, two slip pockets here in the front. The bottom pockets here on the side seem so roomy, like I'm gonna have no trouble fitting anything in there. The front pocket layout matches the same as the mini. It has a little lanyard in there. On the back, you've got your super comfortable backpack straps. These are new for hanging on the shoulder. There wasn't a great way to hold the original on-the-go backpack except by its handle, like using a mommy hook, so I'm super excited about these. This back pocket is one of my favorite features of this bag. I don't carry a laptop all that often, but when I'm traveling, if I need iPads stuck back here, or I carried around swaddle blankets a bunch when my son was little, it's a really great feature. And then you cannot forget about this genius pocket slash travel sleeve. If you just open the top, then you have a whole nother fully lined pocket here. And then if you open it from the bottom, you can slip this over your rolling luggage. It's just genius. You're seeing this feature come around on a lot of really designer level bags, so to see it done by 12Little so well, it's just an exceptionally helpful feature when you have kids and rolling luggage and you're at the airport, you just slide this over the top. Awesome. Okay, I feel like a Megan sandwich between these two bags. I'm so excited to get reviews going on these and then show you how I packed them up, a comparison between the two, all that good stuff y'all are gonna want. So check back soon for more videos on these two bags, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.